If your thermostat keeps losing connection to your heating and cooling system, it can totally mess with your comfort and energy bills. Alright, so first off, check all the wiring and connectors between your thermostat and the HVAC equipment, because loose or corroded wires are a huge culprit. Make sure everything is snug, not frayed, and that the connectors aren't dirty or rusty. Sometimes a quick clean or tightening does the trick. If your thermostat uses batteries, swap them out for fresh ones since low power can cause connection hiccups. Also, if you've got a smart thermostat, double check your Wi-Fi signal strength because weak signals can drop the connection randomly. Try moving your router closer or using a Wi-Fi extender if needed. Sometimes, resetting the thermostat by turning it off and back on helps clear any temporary glitches. Don't forget to look at your HVAC equipment's control board for any signs of damage or burnt spots. That might mean a professional needs to step in. Finally, keep your thermostat firmware up to date if it's smart enabled. Manufacturers often fix bugs that cause connection problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat connection issues is ignoring the wiring condition. Frayed or loose wires can cause intermittent signals, so always inspect and tighten them first. Another common problem is relying on old batteries in battery-powered thermostats. Swapping them out regularly keeps things smooth. Last but not least, neglecting the Wi-Fi setup for smart thermostats is a big no-no. Weak signals or outdated firmware can cause random disconnections, so boosting your network or updating software usually fixes that right up. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff with HVAC systems and wiring. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with folks looking for reliable service, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.